With a population of 195,000 and a volume crime of 2,540. In municipality, what is its crime rate?
So ito yung equation mga boss, where crime rate is the rate of crimes committed per 100,000 people. TC, or the total crime, is the total number of crimes committed in an area, at ang P naman is the total population of the area. Sa madaling salita, ganito po siya isolve. I-divide lang po natin yung total number of crimes sa total population sa isang lugar. So 195,000 yung total number of population, at i-multiply natin siya sa 100,000. So ang sagot nun, yun po yung total crime rate, 1,302. So ganun lang yun mga boss para makuha yung total crime rate. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aking mabilisang pagsagot. Maraming salamat po.